Lorraine DePie here, Courage Enterprises. So a few days ago, I was at a conference and there was a panel of experts on the stage, and I was able to ask a question to them. And this is the question that I asked. What has been the role of intuition when you make your decisions? And the question was actually taken up by probably the most successful of all of the entrepreneurs that were there, a gentleman called Andrew Scott. And he said, intuition is absolutely how I make all my decisions. The gut, listening to the gut, which I thought was so interesting. And this is how I make my decisions, and is what has led me to have a successful career in music and in psychology and travel and live and work in so many countries and support and help so many people in my career, literally the thousands of people that now I've either sung to, performing to, or I have coached, trained, mentored, so on and so forth. So this weekend I am giving it's over a couple of days. It's a workshop about creativity and intuition. So you'll see a link somewhere. Do join us.